So in today's video, I'll show you how to add an analog clock to the always on display of your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So unlock your phone and go into settings and then select home screen, lock screen and style. And then here you want to swipe down and select always on display at the top here. And as you can see, this is the current always on display clock style that I have. To change it to an analog one, simply swipe all the way down and then scroll through the options until you find analog clock. So tap on analog clock, and then here you have the option to select the kind of analog clock you want to use. So find one that you like. For me, I like this one, or you can even select one like this one. And then you can even change the color of the text on that particular analog clock. And then once you're happy, simply tap on apply and it's going to be set. And now if you go to always on display, that is going to be the analog clock, your new analog clock on the always on display of your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.